In this one, we're going to be looking at similar triangles, and if triangles are similar, that means their sides are proportional to one another. Sometimes they'll give you a problem like we've got here. I have a smaller triangle and a larger triangle. To find the variable, well, the variable is x, and that's the missing side. I guess you could say the missing side of the biggest triangle if you wanted to. Now when they're proportional, I usually go from left to right. The 9 is with respect to the x, as the 16 is with respect to the 24. You need to be consistent with this. Now again, I've got one fraction equaling one fraction, so I'm going to cross multiply. I've got 16 times x. I've got my calculator to the side. 24 times 9. So it's a matter of me dividing both sides by 16. So if I put 13.5 into this, it will be the exact same fraction as 16 over 24. So store it and do 9 divided by x and see what 16 divided by 24 is. My sentence, the missing length is 13.5 meters. We'll check. Store that in for x. 9 divided by x. 16 divided by 24. Alright, so that one's checked. Next one. It says a man who is 6 feet tall is standing 10 feet from the base of a lamppost. The man's shadow has a length of 4 feet. How tall is the lamppost? So I'm going to let x equal height of lamppost. I do like pictures on this. So this is going to be my lamppost. That's the light. I've got a man that is 10 feet away. I do know that he is 6 foot tall. Now it says his shadow has a length of 4 feet. So from the lamp post, if we're looking down this way, this is where his shadow is. So this is 4 feet. Now I've got a smaller triangle inside a bigger one, so these are similar. So this one triangle is inside the other one, unlike that other problem. So this is my x. So I'm going to go little to big. I'm going to go 6 is to x as 4. Now you got to be careful here. 4 is the whole length of this small triangle, but 14 is the length of the big one. So I'm going to cross multiply, and 6 times 14, 84, divide by 4. So if I put 21 in there, we can do another check. 6 over 21, so 3 into 6 is 2/7. 4 over 14 divided by 2, it equals 2/7. So you see they're proportional to one another. So that would be my check. So my sentence answer, the lamppost is 21 feet tall. So that's it for this section. Thank you.